Nowadays, drinking alcohol and driving are the most common threats to their lives and the lives of others. We cannot stop people from drinking alcohol, but we can avoid such accidents by checking the person either he or she is drunk or not. We can also keep such type of small device in their vehicle to make sure there is no drink and drive. So today we are creating a simple alcohol detector. We can use it in various application fields. So this is a small demonstration of simple alcohol detector using Arduino and MQ3 sensor. Many advanced alcohol sensors are available in the market for a reasonable price. But today we are making this project using some basic microcontroller like Arduino Nano, a buzzer, or LED and MQ3 alcohol sensor. So this is very simple project. Without doing any delay, let's get into this. The components required for making this project are Arduino Nano, MQ3 sensor, a buzzer, a LED, few jumper wires and a breadboard. Now let's wire the MQ3 alcohol sensor, buzzer, a LED and Arduino Nano together. The connection is very simple. You can connect the components using these schematics and the information provided here. And you can see the circuit is assembled on a breadboard. Now let's program the Arduino for alcohol detector project. To program the Arduino MQ3 alcohol sensor, LED and a buzzer with Arduino IDE, we need to define all the input and output pins. So this is the threshold value of MQ3 reading. If the value goes above it, and it should trigger an action. So global integer value is defined to store the analog reading of MQ3 sensor, and the value of MQ3 sensor ranges from 0 to 1023. In the word set of first, we are declaring all the input and output pins, and then we started the serial output for debugging the program. In the loop part, we first read the analog value of MQ3 sensor and then send the value to the UART for debugging. Finally, if the value of MQ3 alcohol sensor detect alcohol, it turns on the LED and the buzzer. Otherwise, the LED and the buzzer are turned off. So this is the final program code for Arduino based alcohol detector using MQ3 sensor. You can copy the code from the website and upload it to your Arduino board, but make sure that you have selected the correct board and COM port. So here is the short demonstration of this alcohol detector using Arduino and MQ3 sensor. So that's all for this project, and the project can be used in a variety of locations. Finally, I wish you all the best for this project. If you wish talk anywhere, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.